Hey babes, so I decided to cut my hair. I was really bored, as you guys know in my last video. I told you guys I want to dye it. So instead of dyeing it, I was like, you know what? I'm going to cut my hair. Psych, I'm never cutting my hair again. If I ever want to wear my hair, if I ever want to have my hair short, I'm going to wear a wig. So yes, guys, I'm wearing a wig. So I'm wearing a wig from Wowebony. That's what their box looks like. I'm going to go over the specs first, and then we'll talk about the wig. So this wig is a 360 lace wig. So there's only lace in the front, and it's like sewn tracks in the back. It's Indian Remy hair. It's 12 inches long. It's a natural. This is in its natural color. My cap size is a medium, and the hair density is 150%. I have, so in the box you get an elastic band, and they show you how to put it on. I'm gonna share with you guys the video that made my wig lay down the best. Like, this girl's method was the best method, because I literally that night I tried 3 different ways on how to put on my elastic band, and I liked her method the best because, as you can see, my wig is laying down flat. There's no glue, no gel, no hairspray, none of that. It's just an elastic band, and I think that's what really helps the wigs look really nice and natural. In the box, you also get a booklet with like the different wigs that they have, and right there is like a curly wig. We have a wavy wig. What else do they have? We have Muffin is my lovers. I love her. I've been watching her wig videos for like since I started making YouTube videos, I think. Like, she's the reason, one of the reasons why I started buying wigs. So let me tell you guys what I did. So I plucked the part a little bit, not a lot, and then I put foundation powder to set it, and then I put some black shadow on my natural hairline. I kind of have like a little bit of a widow's peak. It's not like severe, but my hairline goes like swoop, and then, you know, whatever is going on over there. I don't know how to explain it. So yeah, I put like black eyeshadow right here, black eyeshadow right there. So there's no line of demarcation, because my natural color right here, like the density of my natural hair doesn't really match this one. So I feel like adding that black powder there makes it look really good. If you wear wigs, you'll know I'm wearing a wig. But if you don't know anything about wigs, you will never know. You will never know, girl. Never. I like the density of this wig because it's not too much hair and it doesn't look fake. It's just the right amount. It's just the right amount. I like it. I like it. The hair feels like my natural hair when it's straightened, because my hair is straight under here, and this is what my hair feels like. Just like this. Just like this. Oh, I washed this. I don't know if I filmed this part, but I'll tell you guys. I washed it with Pantene Beautiful Length shampoo, and then I used my Crece Pelo. Girl, my Crece Pelo conditioner just like is the best. So that's what I used on her, and she's so soft and fluffy and cute. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have to say. If you guys have any questions, let me know. They are having a Mother's Day sale, so I'll put all the links and any coupons that they're going to be having on this video below if you like this wig. Oh, I forgot to mention that this wig does come with combs right here, and one in the back. I took out the combs that were right here because that's where I placed my elastic band. So, yeah. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Nice for what? Nice for what, though? I'm not going to be nice to you. Do you not see me? Don't come here if you're not trying to be serious. Like, just don't. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't play yourself. Okay? Alright, guys. Let me stop being silly. Bye.
Who